Okay guys, so this guys is the part 2 of the HD 8000 repair. And this guy, that's it, man, this was a real look at that piece of solder and that between these recovery diode. This guys, as I was saying, this is the part 2 of the video of this HD 8000. And guys, this was a little trip with this little one, guys. I fixed the amplifier, eventually burned it back because of some, I overlooked something, guys. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, guys, let me tell you, no matter what you experience with a lot of stuff, you still make mistake. Cause of that mistake, I just told myself that I shouldn't make that mistake. It's just dumb mistake. But guys, I did make one, but I got it. I think I got it. I don't test it as yet, but guys, I'm gonna go through what I did. First, I replaced one of these 15 volts Zener diode right there between the, right there. You have 3 of them. I replaced the middle one on this side over here, and also I replaced the first. I replaced the SI 82. SI82, 44 BB. So yep, not only one, I replaced both because it's a monoblock. I'd like to just replace both because these transistors, I thought they were bad because between this foot and this, this pin here and this pin here, like drain and source here on this side, I was getting like I think I was getting 20 something ohms. No, yeah, exactly, and that was right. And between drain and source, I was getting 40 here, and I was like, yeah, that's not right. So that's after I replaced the Zener diode there. Then I have to replace this now. I come here and I test pin. Let me see what pin I did test again. On that side, I test all I want to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10 and 11, yeah, on this side of the SI chip. And it was shorting out, like, read up to 0, continuity, like, yeah. It's 0 out, so it was shorting out. So I said, yep, okay, remove it. Then I started to test because I thought these were bad, so I clipped them out the circuit, and I realized once I replace this, everything's normal. So the SI chip was bad, which is this one right here, guys. Yeah, you can see the solder cylinder. Yeah, that one was bad. And not only that, guys, and this was the 15 volts that I replaced. Alright, that's not only it, guys. Here, I don't know how this amplifier goes on, guys, but this here, that's why it was plugged in and it pushed in the pin and it was touching on this cap right here. Right, it's touching on this capacitor. So I'm not sure what happened. But here, guys, which you have the Q7. Q7 is a 6C transistor, and this is for the fan. It controls the fan, It run, the middle pin goes to the negative side of the fan and it goes around here, guys. And guys, this pin was shorting out with the negative pin of the output terminal right here, guys. And I tested and I was like, it read to it. I thought it would connect it. I don't know why I made that mistake. I should have known that it wouldn't connect to the fan and this at the same time. But guys, because it's the negative pin, I don't know why I overlook it. Because when I first get the amplifier here, you did have a little black spot, and I was like, why is there black? So I thought it was the fan that's sucking in a lot of dust and make it look, so I just clean it up and forget it, guys. And guys, I hooked the amplifier up and I only pie, a loud explosion right here, and this pop, the 6C transistor pop, and I was like, it burst. Like, what the hell is that? Then I said, let me remove this pin and see if there's something underneath it burn, guys. And the same, so you have to run another wire along here because the strip that was here burnt up. So I replace it with another wire and I glue it down. And this is lying here. I cut a little piece of the circuit here just to make it look neat, and come back up and push it a little pin right through this hole and solder it on this side, it on that side, and then, you know, that's what I did. But when I come on this, I lift this up, guys, the terminal here, guys, I saw it touching. It was touching and the pin, the negative pin of the fan, the negative lead, yeah, because it comes up right underneath it, and it was shorting out all along. So I think that's what, you know, this amplifier go down, and then me myself, guys, just put in the part and pour the amplifier up, and bro, without guys, I tell you, man, if I could beat myself, man, I would do it. Just to tell you guys. So I did that, and I'm checking around now, making sure nothing else is wrong with the amplifier, you know, just before I hook it up again, just, you know, because yeah, that was a big mistake on my part. But guys, yeah, that's just me. I own up to my mistake, guys. That should have never happened. Should have removed this terminal from the beginning, because, you know, I saw it was that little black spot. But yes, guys, so yeah, yep. And this R64 here, this was burnt up to before, and I replaced it. R64 is a 4.7 ohms resistor, and this one is the R70, and that's a 1000 ohm resistor. That was also burnt and stuff like that, man, just to show you guys, you know, a lot of stuff that burned in this amplifier, a lot. And on this side I replaced these two output was bad from the beginning, from the get-go here. These were bad too. So there's a lot of work I do in this area right here, guys. That, man, the power supply was good, but man, believe me, I do a lot of work that I would do more than what I would do in the power supply in this little area right here, guys. I'm just hoping and praying that when I get to pour it up, everything's okay, because believe me, guys, this amplifier take me like almost 3 hours just, you know, get it sorted out, and for me to get it, you know, make that little mistake, not a little, that's a big mistake, man. Yep. Man, hook my words. But guys, just please remember, like, check twice when you're doing stuff like this. Make sure check before you know. And always take the amplifier board out, because you never know a lot of stuff that's underneath this, because this wire comes up right underneath there. If you run along underneath, circuit, come here, the circuit, and it comes up under here, then it comes right here. You guys can see right here. You could see where I take out a little piece of here. I have to remove the whole, you know, whole piece of the circuit that was there, guys. And then, guys, I think that's about it, because, man. So, guys, yeah, that's it. And guys, if you have any question, just ask me. I'll let you know, guys, know from what I did here. But yep, it was a lot of, you know, back and forth, testing. But as I told you guys, yeah, that was it. And this part was my main part, because when I got the amplifier, this was the problem right here, and these two MOSFET here. And then start after that mistake, this side get damaged too. So that's it. So now I work on all of the amplifier, just like, you know, all both sides of your output, you know, I work on. But it should be okay now. Pretty sure it's okay. No joke about it. Because there's nothing shorting out, and I fixed this problem because we're shorting out. Oh man. Every time I think about it, guys, you know, because if this amplifier doesn't pour up now, that's gonna put me in another couple time that I don't have that, and I really want to finish it. But sometimes I think I was in too much ace, maybe, because I have a lot of stuff to do as usual, guys. Because I work full time, I don't do this full time. But soon, and very soon, maybe one day, I will be doing this full time. Never know. But for now, yep, I'm doing this because I like this, like, really much. I like it very much. But yep, guys, give you a little view of the back of this. This is the one with the digital display clock for the voltage. already done. Yep. Yep, just to make you guys see a good view of it. Alright. Charger wire out. So guys, that's it. That's it guys. I hope that the indicator didn't come up on the video showing me that the charger had plugged out. But guys, yeah. Yep. So from input to the resistor, transistor, MOSFET driver switch, that the SI chip, 2 SI chip replaced, 1 15 volts diode replaced, and 2 output MOSFET, not even 2, like all of them, because these were also put in. I have to replace all 4. Forgot to tell you guys, all 4 I replaced. I thought these were damaged earlier, but they're good. And now I am going to end this video, guys. Then I have to do the part 3 of it, because I have to go over it again. So I don't want to pause it too long, and then, you know, yeah. But definitely guys, definitely this one was a, yep. And this is a 1 ohm version, guys. Yeah, mark inside of it. This is the 1 ohm version. Yep. And these caps are 250 volts, 1500 UF. The output MOSFET, guys, they are IRGP 4066D. Power supply MOSFET 1404. That's the IR1404. That's a regular suspect. Yeah. This inductor coil there, sometimes they'll shake, but these are really good. The power supply caps right here, 25 volts, and at 4700 microfarad, 4700 UF, guys. But yep guys, that's it. That's about it for this one, guys. So I'm pretty sure I'll hook it up, guys, give you a bench test coming up on the next video, on part 3 of this video, because yep, I have a lot of look over to do before I plug this in right now. Before I pour it up, I said plugged in, but you know, yeah, before I pour this thing up, guys, just to make sure all is well. But this, guys, that's it for this repair, guys. So I think everything is good, definitely, because I solved the problem right here. But you know, see, as I told you, I run this little cross here. Yeah, I take out a little piece of a circuit where there is no circuit on top and there is nothing there on the bottom. Just run this really neat and nice and neat right there. So you know it goes, so it goes. Because I was wondering why the lead of the fan shot out. So I said, why maybe the fan, they burnt up. I didn't even check them. But I'm going to check the fans and see if they got damaged because of this right here. That's what happened. But yes, guys, I even got burned when I was taking out this, because I used the big soldering, and man, my hand touched it so many times. I was like, man, this amplifier put me through hell, guys. I'm telling you the truth. But I hope it's worth it, because I'm gonna pour it up in a minute. So guys, please stay tuned for part 3 of this video coming up shortly. Carty and Carty, guys, out for now. And I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Thank you very, very much, guys, and please stay tuned for part 3 of this video. I'll give you a bench test and show you that it pours up and everything, guys. Alright, see you on part 3 of this video. Thank you for watching.